this video lesson, we'll be learning the riff from Kantara movie, that theme track. So we have a small intro which comes like this. So we have that fifth fret on the fourth string and third string. So you got to bar them. Then you got to string the fourth string and the third string. Then sixth fret on the third string. Then back to fifth fret on the third string. So just keep and loop that for 4 times. So that's the thing. So now we have that main melody coming. So we got to slide from 3rd fret to 8th fret on the 2nd string. So that's the first line. So we got to slide from 3 to 8 on the 2nd string. Then we go 8, 9 on the 2nd string, then 6, 8. So then we go 3rd string 7th fret, then we go 6, then 6 to 8 slide. So from first, sorry. So now next notes all we play on the 2nd string. So we go 8, 9, 6, 8, 6 on the 2nd string. So from first. Then we play this again. Next we go 1st string 5th fret. Then we go 5, 8. So 5. So we go 5, 5, 8, 5, 8, 8. So we play 8 twice on that. So you can come also with the slide in. Then we go 9th fret on the 1st string. So then we got a slide from 5 to 8 on the 1st string. So now we are going to slide from 8 to 8 to 13, sorry, on the 1st string. So that is the 13th fret. Then we go 10, 9, 8 on the 1st string. So again